Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about mensuration. In this video we will learn that how to find out the curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder. So this is a cylinder with radius r and height h. So we will learn that how to derive the formula of curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder. So this we will learn by one activity. So this is a cylinder. As you know that a cylinder has two flat faces, top face and bottom face, and one curved surface. Okay. So now we will use the net of this cylinder, and by using these two we will derive the formula of curved surface area and total surface area. So let's start. What is curved surface area? Curved surface area means the area of this curved part. This is also known as lateral surface area also. Okay. And in total surface area, we will add the area of these two circles also. Okay. Now let's see its net. If we will open up this cylinder, then its net will somewhat look like this. This is a rectangle in between. This is the curved part, and these two are the flat faces. Upper one and this is bottom one. If we will fold it, then we will find a cylinder. So let's fold it, make a cylindrical shape. See, so this is a cylindrical shape now. Okay. So to find out the curved surface area, we will find out the area of this rectangle, because this curved part is nothing but it is a rectangle only. Okay, and we know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. And what will be the length? Length means when we will fold it, we will find a circle. And this circular part is nothing but it is the circumference or the boundary of this circle. Okay, so the formula of the circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Now let's write it. So we will write it. Curved surface area, I am writing CSA. Curved surface area will be equal to area of rectangle. Okay. And what is the formula for area of rectangle? This one, this curved part. When we will open it, we will find a rectangle. And the area of rectangle is L into B. And what is length here? See, this is the length, and the length is circumference of circle. So the formula for circumference of circle will be 2 pi r. And what is breadth? It is the height of this cylinder or height of this rectangle. So this is h. So let's write L into B. This L is 2 pi r, and this B is h. So it will be 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Okay. And the units will be square centimeter, square meter. The unit of area will always be in square. Okay. So this is CSA, curved surface area. Now what will be the formula for total surface area? Total surface area it will be equal to, see, the total surface area will be this curved surface area plus the area of this circle and area of this circle. So this is curved surface area CSA plus area of this top circle will be pi r square. Okay, you know that the formula for the area of circle will be pi r square, and this one is also pi r square. Now what is curved surface area? It was 2 pi r h plus, when we will add these two, we will get 2 pi r square. Now from these two we will take 2 pi r common. 2 pi r we will write it outside the bracket, and inside we left with h plus here we left with r, and then the unit square meter or square centimeter, whatever it will be given. Okay. Now by using these two formulas, this is the formula for CSA, or we can say lateral surface area also, and this is the formula for total surface area. Now by using these two formulas, we will solve this question. The question is find CSA, means curved surface area, and TSA, total surface area of a cylinder whose radius is 7 cm and height is also 7 cm. So let's take this r is 7 cm and height is also 7 cm. Now we will use these formulas. So the formula for CSA is curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. So let's write 2, and the value of phi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So here we will use 22 by 7 multiplied by r is 7 cm and h is also 7 cm. This is given in the question. R is 7 cm and height is also 7 cm. Now by this 7 we can cancel this 7. Now we will multiply these two. 22 2s are 44 multiplied by 7 1s are 7, and the unit will be centimeter square. Now multiply these two. 7 4s are 28. 8 we will write, 2 we will carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 30. So the curved surface area of this cylinder will be 308 square centimeter. Okay. This will be the curved surface area. Now we will find out the total surface area of this cylinder. And what is the formula for total surface area? It is 2 pi r h plus r. So first we will write the formula 2 pi r in the bracket h plus r. Now we will substitute the values here. 2, the value of phi is 22 by 7. And radius is 7 cm given, h is 7 plus r is again 7. Okay, write the units here. You write the units centimeter, centimeter, and this is also centimeter. Now by this 7 we can cancel this 7. We left with 1 only. So 22 2s are 44 centimeter. This bracket means sign of multiplication will come. 7 plus 7 is 14 centimeter. Now we will multiply 44 and 14. Let's multiply here. 44 multiplied by 14. 14 4s are 56. 6 we will write, 5 we will carry. 14 4s are 56. 56 plus 5 is 61. So the answer will be 616, and centimeter will also get multiplied, and we will get centimeter square. So the total surface area of this cylinder will be equal to 616 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the way to derive the formulas for CSA and TSA of cylinder. You don't need to memorize the formula. Once you will understand the concept, you will just remember these for lifetime. So this is curved surface area, CSA, the area of this curved part. And total surface area means area of this curved part plus the area of this circle and the area of this circle. This means area of these two circles. In 2 pi rh we will add 2 pi r square as we did here. So the formula will be 2 pi r h plus r. So I hope that now you understood that how to find out the curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder and how to derive these formulas. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thanks for watching.